guys, we have a big opportunity for you all. I know. Yes, we all are waiting to build up the new projects that are coming on across, the new technology you want to go with, and also to go ahead with the latest DBs, that is a database. So this is a really good opportunity for you all, and there is a time limit, so sorry. So you have to build a project on Java using Spring Framework and MongoDB. So just register here, click on like button and also click on the comment option so that you can ask for further details. Okay, so in this course, what are we going to do? We are going to have a beginners oriented course. In this, the course is based on the beginners, that is core Java. We will be first understanding what exactly Java is, then we will be moving ahead and founding the advanced part of Java, that is how are we going to work using websites. Further, we will work on Spring Framework, understanding it and how are we going to implement it, then merging Spring with MongoDB. Further, when we are done with all the conceptual part of it, that is your practicals and theoretical, then we will start building up a project that will be a full-fledged project including your Spring Framework, MongoDB, all the basic concepts of Java. So if you are really interested, go ahead, comment below your email ID, or if you are interested, just say interested. Would revert you ASAP and will be available. This timeline is only available for 19th of August. That is till tomorrow itself. So till tomorrow evening, anyone interested, just register here and let us know. So take care, and I hope you will be coming and pinging me so that I can just give you what are the different details about the project. Right.